You understand English, you watch English movies, you listen to English videos, but when you try to speak, you stop. Your mind is blank, your words are gone, and you say, I understand English, but I cannot speak. If this is you, then relax. You clicked the right video. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
Hi everyone, my name is Mike.
And my name is Rena.
We are very happy to have you here today.
On this channel, we talk in simple English.
We help you improve your spoken English step by step.
Today's topic is very common.
Yes, our topic is you can understand English, but you cannot speak.
Many students and learners face this problem.
And today we will explain why this happens. Now, I will tell you the top 5 mistakes that students and many people make while learning spoken English.
Listen carefully. You may be doing these mistakes too.
The first and biggest mistake is fear. People are scared of making mistakes. They think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if people laugh at me? Because of this fear, they stay silent. Remember one thing. If you do not make mistakes, you will never learn.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
The second mistake is thinking too much. People first think in their mother language. Then they translate the sentence into English in their mind. This takes time, and when it is time to speak, they get confused and stop.
That happens with many learners.
Yes, this habit slows down your speaking. The third mistake is focusing only on grammar. Many students think grammar is everything. They study rules, tenses, and formulas, but they never practice speaking. Grammar is important, but spoken English is about practice, not perfection.
Speaking comes from speaking, not reading rules.
The fourth mistake is not practicing daily. People say, I will start speaking tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. They understand English, but they do not use it in daily life. If you don't speak every day, your confidence will never grow.
Even 5 minutes a day is enough.
The fifth mistake is trying to speak perfect English. People want perfect pronunciation. They want perfect sentences. Because of this, they speak nothing. Simple English is better than silent English.
Yes, clear English is more important than perfect English.
So, these were the top 5 mistakes. If you are making these mistakes, don't worry. The good news is, these mistakes have simple solutions, and my friend Rena will explain the solutions step by step.
Yes, I will share easy and practical solutions.
So, stay with us.
Let's talk about the first mistake. Fear. Let's talk about the first mistake. Fear stops many people from speaking. But listen carefully. Everyone makes mistakes. Even people who speak good English made mistakes in the beginning, so do not be afraid. When you speak wrong English, it is okay. Say to yourself, I am learning. I am improving.
Confidence comes after mistakes, not before.
Now the second mistake. Thinking in your mother language. This is very common. The solution is simple. Start thinking in small English sentences. For example, I am hungry. I am tired. I am going home. Do not translate long sentences. Use short and easy English.
Small sentences make speaking fast.
The third mistake was focusing only on grammar. Grammar is important, yes, but speaking is more important. You do not need perfect grammar to speak. You need practice. Speak first, correct later.
Communication is the goal, not perfection.
The fourth mistake was not speaking daily. The solution is very easy. Speak English every day, even for 5 minutes. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. I am cooking. I am studying. I am walking.
Daily practice builds confidence.
The fifth mistake was trying to speak perfect English. Please remember this. Perfect English is not required. Simple English is enough. People want to understand you. They do not check your grammar.
Clear message is more important than perfect words.
If you understand English, that means you are already halfway there. Speaking is just the next step, and you can do it.
Yes, anyone can learn spoken English. So, today we talked about a very common problem.
Yes, many people understand English but cannot speak.
We shared the top 5 mistakes.
Fear of making mistakes,
Thinking in your mother language,
focusing only on grammar,
not speaking every day.
and trying to speak perfect English.
Remember one thing. You do not need perfect English to speak.
You only need confidence and practice.
Start with small sentences.
Speak every day.
Make mistakes and learn from them.
Do not wait for perfect time.
Start today.
If you understand English, you are already doing well.
Speaking will come slowly and naturally.
Just stay consistent.
And believe in yourself.
If you like this video, please like it.
Subscribe to our channel for more simple English videos.
Share this video with your friends.
And comment if you face this problem.
We read all comments.
Thank you for watching.
Take care.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
See you in the next video. Bye.